Wondering why you just cannot see success with your diet plan? Do you feel like every diet you go on, you eventually fall off somewhere along the line? Are you ready to toss in the towel on fat loss for good? Don't be. If you stop and take a minute to look at the 4 reasons why most diets fail, and then find yourself a diet plan that overcomes these reasons, you will soon find yourself on track to optimal success. Let's look at the 4 key factors that you need to know. Unrealistic calorie intake. The first big reason why most diets fail is because they simply have you striving to take in an unrealistic number of calories each day. In other words, they put you into starvation mode. They are causing you to consume so little food that your body literally starts shutting down to conserve fuel. When it does this, you know that you are on a one-way path to a fat loss plateau. Yes, you do need to lower your calorie intake to see fat loss results, but you need to do so wisely in a way that you can maintain your metabolic engine, so to speak. Lack of satiety-boosting nutrients. Next, another big issue with most conventional diets is they aren't providing you enough of the 2 most satisfying nutrients, protein and fiber. You need protein to function optimally. It's also the nutrient that's the slowest to break down and digest in the body, so it will provide immediate satiety. Couple that with dietary fiber, which is found in fresh fruits and vegetables, and it'll slow digestion even further. Many crash diet plans are very low in protein, and while they do have you eating lots of vegetables, many discourage the consumption of fruit. By making these 2 nutrients a focus of your plan instead, you can see results that much faster and enjoy being on the diet while you do. Time-consuming meal prep. Who has an hour each and every day to meal prep? Not me, and definitely not you. Yet, many diet plans are so complex that they require this. If that's the diet you're on, it's no wonder you're failing. Instead, you want to find an approach that gives you some basic and easy to implement guidelines that will help you realize true success with your program. This plan should not take hours to follow each week, and should work with your lifestyle. When you find such a plan, it'll be easier than ever to stick with. Long-term approach. Now, chances are you've heard that any diet you follow should encourage a long-term approach, and I agree. When you make diet changes, you should be focusing on maintaining healthy eating in the long term. But, if your diet plan is designed to go on for months, this can kill your motivation in its tracks. Find a diet with a definite deadline. 3 weeks is optimal here, as that is the amount of time it takes to build good habits that stick. Also, 3 weeks is a long enough period of time that you can see good results, but not so long that it's hard to stay motivated. Anyone should be able to do 3 weeks if they put their mind to it. Click the link below for my best recommended fat loss diet.